Today's video, I sell bags and accessories, so let's go! Hi guys, welcome back on this YouTube channel. I'm very happy to welcome you back here. And today's video, I'm gonna sell my bags and accessories, luxury items, obviously. If you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm 27 years old, I'm French, and I live in Barcelona. I'm very excited because I'm doing more and more videos like this every single week. Usually I drop this video every Wednesday and all the items are available on the website from 6 p.m. at 6 p.m. Paris time, and I drop this video at 6:30 p.m. Paris time also. So I'm very excited because it's working better and better. We sell lots of stuff, lots of designer bags, designer items. You are so happy each time when you receive your bags, your items, and I'm very, very happy for this because you send me like the messages and your opinion of the items each time, and it makes me very, very happy. So thank you so much. If you are from Europe, we sell for free by Mondial Relais for items under 500 euros. Otherwise, it's UPS and DHL for worldwide shipping. So we ship worldwide, so this is very cool. We don't cover taxes and duties, unfortunately, because it's too complicated and we never know how much it will be. But as everyone else, I must say. But we have exclusive items and we have very, very low prices. So it's still very, very interesting for you guys. We already shipped to the US, to the UK, to lots of countries, so no problem on this one. Okay, so let's go. If you want to see the website, it's just here. You will have more photos, details, everything on it. Also, if you want to buy anything, you can buy directly on the website by credit card, or you can buy directly from me. You write to me, I make you like an invoice, and you can make me the bank transfer. Voila. Okay, let's go. Let's start with the first item I wanted to show you here, which is a Chanel accessory. A Chanel accessory. So I'm gonna open it for you now. So this one, you had the box. This is a full set. Box, authenticity card, little papers, dust bag, obviously. Up, little paper again, and voila, the beauty. This is a Chanel wallet, patent leather beige. Amazing. The hardware is silver, which is amazing. This one is brand new. The only thing about this one, it has two little stains because maybe of the box. Here, a little one here, and a little one here. This is very, very small, but otherwise the wallet is brand new. You still have a plastic paper here. Well, it starts to take off, but still, I keep it. So, opening of this one, so you have all the papers, everything inside, so which is like really amazing. You have a little stain here, and the sticker, with number sticker, is just here in the corner. So you have lots of space for cards, one space here, another one here, lots of space for cards here again. Even here you can put whatever you want, and space here, and for coins. So, which is like pretty amazing, guys. Like, I must say, this is amazing. I really love it. I really love the color. This is a piece of art, and the price also is gorgeous. The price, I have it here, is 369 euro. This is very, very cheap when you know how much is worth like the simple card holder. This is a full wallet. This is a big wallet, and it's very, very cheap. So if you want it, you know what to do. Okay, so up, I'm putting this back together, and I'm closing the box properly because I don't want to damage it. And my price tag is just here. I'm very careful with the price tags and the boxes and everything because I want the best care for every item. Anyway, the other thing I wanted to show you is this Louis Vuitton card holder. Like, it's organizer, card holder, organizer, whatever. This is a damier ébène from Louis Vuitton, which is very good. The canvas is in good condition. Very a little bit dry, but nothing that much. The couture here just it's a little bit thread up, but that's okay. You have a little pocket here. Then when you open it, you have the pocket here, here, and here. So you have 3 on this side, 1 here, here, and here you can put cards. Usually I have one. I mix between this one and a bigger one, and when I have like a very small bag, I use this one. This is very practical, and I put like lots of different cards, every stuff I need with this. And the price for this one is very low. It's 180 euro. So this is really nice. You will have the price in euro and USD just right here on the screen. And when you buy, you can buy in your own currency, whatever where you're from, it will be your currency on the website, so which is pretty good. Anyway, we will continue with this Louis Vuitton item also. We had the box, this bag. I'm very happy because I really love this one. This bag, and ta-da! We have a belt. This is the first time I show you a belt, guys, so I'm very happy. This is the Louis Vuitton one. The Louis Vuitton logo is kind of embossed. This is very nice. Bronze color, not too shiny, so this is really nice. The leather, well, the belt is in leather, obviously. Brown, very dark brown leather. It's a little bit like damaged here. Well, it's not damaged, it's used, but that's fine, actually. You have a code number here, and it's a 90 centimeter. It's written 9036, so this is a 90 centimeter belt, which is very nice. I really like this belt, actually. And the price will be 200 euro for this beauty. I really like it, and the condition is very good, actually. So it's nice, because usually belts are not in a good condition. Ooh. The other one, this is like a surprise one. This is not a Keepall. This is a Speedy 40, size 40. But well, it's almost like a Keepall. This one is in good condition, bad. The only thing about this one is the front of the bag. As you can see, it's damaged a little bit because I think it was not well done storage, unfortunately. But this is not broken, or the leather is not damaged very intense. It's just like it was folded, so it's really nice. The corners are very good condition, but the black is start to fade a little bit. Otherwise, as you can see, the condition of the bag is pretty good. Other than this, you have a little pocket here, which is really cute, I found. You have the zipper, which is in very good condition. You have also, well, the handles are in very good condition. You have a little pocket here, same very good condition, and the inside also is in good condition. I must say the bag is in very good condition, except for the front of the bag, which was folded, and it's not good for nappy leather to be folded. You should storage with, I put like papers inside to keep the shape of the bag. It's better to keep the bag like this for storage. Anyway, the price will be 350 euro. Yes, you heard me. 350 euro. This is nothing. Go get it. Then the last item I wanted to show you today is this amazing Keepall size 50 with the strap. I have a padlock here with the keys. Otherwise, the bag is amazing. Like, we have the strap. The strap is in very good condition. I think it was not worn a lot with the strap, actually, because the strap was inside the bag. I just pulled it here, like, for to show you. Anyway, the canvas of the bag is in a very, very good condition, as always. I always try to have like a good canvas. This is very, very important to me. The leather parts now. So the leather parts are in good condition. I must say no big stain, so it's cool. The only thing is that it's used here because it was folded. Also, bottom of the bag, it has little minor stain, like darker spots, because it's the bottom of the bag, obviously. Anyway, one of the side of the bag is just here. It's in good condition, I must say. Kind of, yep. And the other side is here. You have a darker spot here. I'm sorry for the siren. We live in the city center, so obviously Okay, so you have a darker spot just here, but it's very fine also. And we have, yes, here it's little used, but less than the other side. Anyway, the handles are in very good condition, I must say. Not too dark, not too used, so it's good. The hardware is in very, very good condition too. And the inside is great too. So I have nothing to say on the inside. I'm checking all the tags. I have the number here. No, this is a very, very good one, and I will show you the price. Well, I will give you the price. The price is 699 euro, guys. Voila. So this is a very good price for a Keepall with strap, size 50. Anyway, this is all for today's video. I'm very happy I'm able to do this. It's thanks to you. So let's get going. Let's get the numbers. Let's get these numbers up for this small business. I will continue to show you my journey as a small business, as an entrepreneur, woman entrepreneur, and in the luxury sector, because I really like this. This is like a dream job for me. So thank you for following me, for following this journey. We are more and more every day, so this is very nice. Don't hesitate to comment. I know some people don't really usually comment on videos, but I'd be very happy to see you comment. So yeah, please do. Like the video and follow. Thank you. Bisous.